Welcome to Lucid. My name is Matthew, and we're going to be talking about growing organic traffic. This is part 3 in our series, and today we're going to be talking about eliminating keyword cannibalization. In part 3 of this series, we're going to show you an example of building organic traffic, what organic traffic is, the tools you'll need for your research, what keyword cannibalization is, identifying keyword cannibalization, and, of course, how to fix keyword cannibalization. So an example we have here in 2016, we redesigned a website and did a marketing concert with Mr. Prime Beef. Before we designed their website, their organic traffic was very poor. They were on the 5th page of Google. After about 8 months, we were able to get Mr. Prime Beef to the first page in the first spot on Google. And they've been at that spot on the first page, #1 spot, for about 4 years now. We were able to do this because we focused our efforts on increasing the organic traffic to their website through several key search engine optimization strategies, which we'll discuss in our video series, Growing Organic Traffic. Now, the term organic traffic is used to referring to the visitors that land on your website as a result of an unpaid search result. Organic traffic is the opposite of paid traffic, which defines the visits generated by paid ads. Visitors who are considered organic find your website after using a search engine like Google, Bing, or Yahoo, and they're simply referred, not referred by any other website. Organic traffic is obtained from the appearance of the site in the search results of a search that a user performs in a search engine such as Google, Yahoo, or Bing. Organic traffic is free traffic, and this is what makes it so important, and this is one of the reasons why website owners want organic traffic so badly. There are going to be some tools that you need. We recommend using SEMrush, Ahrefs, or even a free resource called Google Search Console. Ahrefs is a great tool. It allows you to do a lot of different things. SEMrush is a great tool. It allows you to do a lot of different things. Ahrefs is about $82 a month. SEMrush is about $83 a month. And of course, Google is free. So, keyword cannibalization occurs when 2 or more pages on your website are competing for the same keyword. And here's why it's such a huge problem. Google will struggle to figure out one of your pages actually deserves to be ranked for, so they'll often choose to not rank either page. Links, shares, etc. will be split between 2 or more pages, leading to less authority for each page. And this is really bad because Google will give one page higher authority and tend to rank better if it does not have internally a competition between other keywords, i.e. keyword cannibalization. To put it simply, because your website is competing with itself, you're significantly diluting your chances of ranking at all in the search engines. Keyword cannibalization should be avoided at all costs. We're going to show you how to identify keyword cannibalization using SEMrush. And what you're going to do is you're going to log into SEMrush to see which keywords are on your website and what keywords your website is ranking for. You're going to look for keyword duplication, i.e. multiple pages that rank for the same keyword in SEMrush. Another way to do this that's free is to go to Google Search Console. You'll log into your account and in the section Search Traffic, Search Analytics, within the list of keywords that are shown below the graph, click on the one you intend to analyze in the search of cannibalization. From here, activate the Pages option. In this way, you will be shown which URLs that keyword is ranking for. If it is positioning for 2 or more different pages for the same keyword, you'll likely have an occurrence of keyword cannibalization occurring. So how do you fix this? Once you have identified keyword cannibalization, you can do one of 2 things. You can solve this issue by either merging the two or more pages you have and merging them together, or you can actually remove the keywords from one page and shift them to another page, or make one page more of a focal point and the other page a secondary focal point. The other option that you have is deleting and then do a 301 for one of the resources or pages that you're using. Now, when you're choosing to merge the two resources, the best game plan is to merge the two highest ranking resources and utilize the secondary keywords to boost your organic footprint on the higher ranking page. And if you're doing this, you really want to ensure that the existing page that you're deleting or that you're merging, you're going to do a 301 for it. That way, when the search engine goes to look for it, it gets redirected to the primary page that you merged. When choosing to delete a page, only do this if there are 0 links and or traffic to that page. It's extremely important to know this and to remember to do this. If your page has a good amount of traffic and there are a lot of links on that page, Google or Bing or Yahoo will penalize you in the search results if you do that, and if you don't put a 301 redirect when you do that. Now, deleting a page with links and traffic will have negative effects on gaining organic traffic. As I had stated earlier, you need to make sure that when choosing to do this, you look at all the links, you look at all the traffic to that page, and you compare it to the other pages that you have on your website. If it's getting a minimal amount of traffic, you can go ahead and delete it or merge it to another page and leverage that page to build a higher organic footprint within the search results. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Matthew with Lucid. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. You can also visit our website at www.luciddms.com for great deals on all our web design services.